This is a duplex. One of the units has been rented and they're renovating this to get higher rents. This is in Round Rock, Texas, a market that you can do that in and you can get higher rents. So really cool to see it come together, and I think we're probably a couple weeks from being totally finished.
Get it? I get it. Hey everybody, welcome to the vlog. We're about to hop on our TRE agent training, and then we're gonna take you guys to go see a couple things. We're gonna take them by the duplex that our construction company is renovating. It's about 98% complete. We just wanna go and check it out. Andrew brought his gimbal today, so we're gonna get some cool footage. And then we're going to take them by and show them kind of the deals that we're finding off market, these larger deals for these larger investors, and kind of dive into the insights there. And there's a lot of opportunity, so we want to show you guys what we have for you. But right now we're about to hop on this call, and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
You're not just based on the fruits of your labor, you're not going to go to make more than 80 grand a year. That's on a maximum scale, you're kind of stuck there. Next level is management, and on the management scale, you might be, upwards of like even $150,000 per year, but that's kind of your cap. You might still be getting paid by the hour. You're managing the people with the muscles. World lives in like these first two levels, and part of the reason it's being is because the communication and imagination level aren't taught to us enough, like really how valuable those levels are.
You're obviously researching it and reading and hearing and understanding and putting it into use at the same time. Thanks for and guys, Adam's connected me with a lot of people, and I'm sure he'll do the same. He's a great resource. So if anyone has any thoughts or questions for Adam, feel free to jump in. Other than that, like really wanted to kind of just talk to everyone, kind of open conversation about what you have going on. Alex and I are here at the office now, downtown Round Rock, if you guys want to come join. And we're doing some bigger deals with some warehouse projects, some larger multifamily, and if you have any buyers or people that are interested in that space, that's really where we're kind of being pulled to. So we're really excited about that and just trying to go that direction. So we're actually leaving here after this, and we're gonna go look at a 12 building, right? In Hutto? 13 building metal warehouse project. So if you guys know investors or people for looking for stuff like that, keep us in mind. One thing that I'm always about is going where other people aren't. And everybody wants to syndicate apartments, but nobody talks about syndicating warehouses or self-storage. And so we're always trying to think like that. We actually have this deal figured out, but it's always good to refresh on remember that those guys are doing that, because we can get that in front of them. And I just want to throw that out there, guys, because if you see a project, metal warehouse, self-storage, apartment, whatever, we have the ability to help you get it done, and we'll make sure that you guys get value and make money on it as well. So like Adam said, man, think creatively and use your mind to think what could be different, and if there's something there, then we could probably figure it out. And all it takes is getting it under contract and going and doing the work. And Alex and I are in that space. So if you guys see anything like that you find interesting, let us know, because we definitely want to explore it and try and go after it.
What's the? Do you think when you guys go?
What's happening, guys? Exciting day today. We're in Round Rock, Highway 79, Del Diamond back over there, Kalahari. There's a lot going on out here, and people don't realize what's happening. A lot of people in Austin feel like Round Rock's a different country. I've heard people say that it's Canada. And we are really zoned in on understanding this market. We grew up here, we know it extremely well. We've been committed to analyzing numbers, looking at deals, and we're very blessed that on top of knowing it, that jobs are coming here, and it's an attractive place to be. Massive amounts of jobs. I mean, Kalahari alone is going to be huge, and there's another thing called Perfect Game, and we'll kind of show you some of the properties that we're digging into. We're making a huge push to get a lot of off-market deals, metal warehouse projects, self-storage, multifamily. We're finding deals that not a lot of people are seeing. These are opportunities that are not on the MLS. Sometimes they're on LoopNet or CoStar. A lot of the times they're not, and we are really going all in on finding these properties because we see tremendous value in putting in the work and locking these up under contract. So we want to provide these to you guys. If you know investors, if you're an investor yourself, tell them to call us. There's a good chance that we know of something that can fit what they're looking for. So right now what we're gonna go do is check out some metal buildings over here on the north side of Highway 79, and we're gonna show you what these properties look like and probably talk a little bit about why we like them and what's so cool about them. But just a quick overview, it's a lot of small businesses, and these are welders, auto mechanics. One of them was a vendor for the baseball field. Whatever it may be, I really do believe that there's always going to be a need for space for small businesses, and we're talking about 1,200 to 2,000 square feet, and rents are anywhere from $1 to $1.50 per square foot per month. And if you can find some properties that they're paying 67 cents a square foot, 85, 90, there might be some value there, and that is what we're finding. And a lot of these owners are old school owners. They haven't always wanted to push the rents. They've kept these tenants in here a long time, and with all the growth that's going out here, that's why we're doubling down, because we see the ability to increase those rents. And what we're doing is driving around. As you can probably see, we'll show you guys, it's an industrial type, blue collar, workforce type area.
Well, the other beautiful thing too is that if you know investors, or if you are an investor who haven't dug too much into the industrial warehouse space, all these tenants are working right now. These are not, like Matt was saying, these are all blue collar tenants, and they're all paying their rent. They're all doing well even during COVID, and it's hard to find the type of returns that you can find on these types of investments. So for example, one of them that we're looking at right now is a 12 cap, and this is right here in Round Rock, Texas, 2 miles away from Kalahari, right in the middle of a ton of growth. And it's really hard to find a 12 cap anywhere here in Round Rock, Austin, Georgetown, Cedar Park, Leander, for residential or for multifamily.
Look right there, that's for sale right there, baby. I used to work at Don Quick.
Yep. So the other beautiful thing is the return, but also the maintenance. So these are all, for the most part, if they're being run properly, triple net leases. So you, the owner, are not paying for utilities. You're not paying for the maintenance. The tenants are carrying their own business insurance to cover repairs, and they're just paying their rent. And these are basically just empty shells. So it's just the metal buildings, and the tenants are taking care of everything else. And there's a ton of opportunity here to get into a good investment in a great location.
Look at that. So we're in Hutto, Texas. Everyone here is all about these hippos. You see these hippos all over. And basically, you know, everything Alex said is 100% accurate, but at the same time, it's in the area where the growth is coming. That's the biggest kicker. Is like, look at that one. Look at that hippo on that. There's growth coming where the use could totally change on these properties. So one day this could be a multifamily area, or it could be a retail shopping center. But until then, go make a 10, 12, 13, 14, 15% return. That's what we love about this. And these are all business owners, right? So we know how to get in front of these guys, and we know how to find these pretty quickly. So reach out if you're looking for this kind of stuff. If you know people looking for this stuff, we want to be that resource for you guys here in the Austin area, all the surrounding cities, Hutto, Round Rock, Georgetown, Lakeway, whatever. It's all growing because of the jobs that are coming to Texas, and specifically that are coming to Central Texas. So these are all actually the kind of buildings I want to own as well. Alex, you probably feel the same way.
I want to sell all of our residential and buy these.
Yeah. Now we're gonna head over to one of our construction projects. Our crew's over there. We'll show you what we got going on. Longhorn Construction Development, powered by TRE, baby. And you'll be impressed. You know, we're hustling. We do a lot of things, but we want to get after it and provide value. And I think if you guys reach out, you'll be pretty excited to see what we have going on.
Turn that hat around.
There we go. What's up, guys? We are here at a duplex that we recently renovated. I just walked in and I am super impressed. This is really nice. You guys have done a great job. Alex and I are gonna kind of walk you through what we have going on. This is Longhorn Construction Development, powered by TRE, and we've got an amazing team in place here. So
yeah, let's check it out. This is really nice. They just finished up side A. It's already rented out. I mean, it looks like all brand new flooring, new trim, new baseboards, new paint. Walk in here to the bathroom. We're just finishing some stuff up. We got the brand new countertops, the vanity, some can lighting in there. All brand new quartz countertops, these beautiful cabinets, new appliances, these wood floors all throughout. These can lights. Looks like we scraped the popcorn ceilings.
this is definitely a property that I would love to own. So I'm proud to see that they take care of it. And if I had to guess off the top of my head, probably get $1,650 in rent, something like that, maybe a little more.
Close to it. I mean, this is what, it's a 3-2.
Yeah.
So, and this is one of the nicest duplexes on this street, so it'll set itself apart. The property owner did by, you know, updating the units, really putting in some quality work to it, and they will be able to get higher quality tenants by doing that, and also be able to raise those rents quite a bit, so it's well worth it.
We want to find that right balance, because sometimes it doesn't make sense to go all out. You just got to judge on what people like in that area. In this area, in Round Rock, we do know that there's a lot of blue collar, there's a lot of jobs around, and people like properties like this. There's really not a lot of properties that, if you're looking to be a renter, that you come in and it's done like this. This is rare. Most of the time, you're going to be buying a property like this. So it's
or it's a cheaper make ready, and this is a full remodel.
Full remodel. So that's really cool that the owner has that perspective and says, hey, I'm gonna do it right and take care of my tenants. And to see it all come to fruition is amazing. I'm happy with our team. I'm happy with the product, and we're here to help you guys.